Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're in the lovely Laganas and we're going to see Wagwan. You all know the vibe. So we're on the main strip at the moment and we're just going to take a walk up.
I'm going to walk on the sun side. I'd both for the sun, but I think this side would be a bit better. So normally when we come here, this is where we get our excursion from. How you doing, brother? Yamas. So that's where you get your boats from. You normally sorts a good deal out if you come.
Well, now really
yeah,
good time.
if you come now, it's a really good time because it's low season still.
It is
next
low season, yeah.
June, July, August is high season. Here's a beautiful lady.
Very beautiful lady.
Ready for the boat party?
Someone's
You ready for the boat party?
Yeah, so you've got a lot of restaurants up here. So daytime it's a lot calmer.
Here. Yes, brother. yes.
It's a lot calmer.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, so it'll be in about 2 weeks' time. It'll be absolutely rammed along here. We have quad bikes, scooters, cars galore.
The road will be closed off at night time.
Yeah.
Everything. Careful of this road as well. I mean, there's no pavements on some of the side roads, so you have to be really careful walking. Someone just tried to run me over a minute ago.
Yeah, you've got to be vigilant.
Lovely drivers.
And then obviously you've got people on these as well, so...
The quads, yeah.
Yeah.
Just be careful with the quads as well, because a lot of people think, I'm covered, I've got bank insurance and everything like that. It does not cover quads. Quads are extreme sports. You right? Quads are extreme sports and under insurance, so it's not covered by your normal insurance or your bank insurance. Unless you've got with your bank insurance extreme sports.
Which most people don't.
No, and obviously you do. The people who hire them won't care.
No. There you go, £20 for 3 hours.
Yeah. 4 hours, 130. Yeah. See, 4 hours, 130. What's it in Tenerife? 300 and something quid. And you've got the blue turquoise water over here. I think I know where I'd want to take a boat. And for the price. So yeah.
A lot more affordable.
There's our friends over here as well. Wagwan, you two? You right? Wagwan. Yeah, man. So you got Sizzle over there. She's got a brand new front. So that'd be where the club entrance is. We've got a bar to the side. That's open all the time actually. Not in the daytime, but you know what I mean, at night time.
Be frozen cocktails here, €7.
Yep. It's quite dark on my screen, so I won't.
There's one in Albufeira as well. They're all over now. They're quite a big craze, aren't they?
Yeah.
The one in Albufeira, I think, is cheaper than that. Check out the video if you want to know.
Yeah, where's the cheapest frozen cocktails?
Then we've got this one. Still messy from the night before.
Yeah. This is Laganas, though, this is it.
Yeah.
It's what you
Very
expect.
different,
It's what you
very
expect when you come here. You don't come here to expect everything to be clean, nice, and you come here to have a wreck out night.
So we went to Silivi when we first got here. That is a very different vibe. So if you want that sort of beautiful, serene, clean aesthetic, you're going to get that there. This is definitely
Cherry Bay.
Yeah, this one's always quite busy actually, isn't it?
Yeah, Cherry Bay is always busy.
Yeah.
Always busy. And then yeah, Shisha. And you've got the Toucan on this side.
Yeah.
Let's keep going. Icon isn't open yet.
No.
Not just yet.
Got this one loft. That goes up, doesn't it? It's got like a...
So yeah, loft goes up the stairs. I'd like to see an Irish bar abroad that's actually selling Guinness for a normal price. That'd be nice, you know.
Oh, maybe it'll be open tonight. Looks like it's got the things open now.
Maybe
Maybe
yeah.
just had the night off.
No, it wasn't open. So maybe Icon's opening up, getting ready now for the season. Normally, a lot of these bars are already open for the season, so we've just come up to BJ's and Big Boys. Tell me which one's your favourite. We normally go BJ's. But, oh, look at him.
No,
what are you saying?
What are you doing?
Good morning. Never known black people need protection like that.
He's going to be on a boat. He's going to be...
Right, anyway. We'll catch you in a second,
yes,
innit?
in a minute. Get your protection.
So BJ's here.
Yeah.
It's a good slice of pizza at €2. And you get the same
And you
across
get
the
a
boat.
big pizza as well for a good price. I think it was 20, well, different flavours. The one we got was €20, so it's about 18.
I know, but it's only 18, but we got Jack Daniel's sauce, 2 Jack Daniel's sauce.
Oh, yes, it's only 18, sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
Not a bad price, and it's ginormous.
Yeah, it was
You
big.
still had some for breakfast today, didn't you?
Yeah, that was a 2-day-old pizza. Lovely jubbly.
Lovely,
It's good breakfast. Good breakfast. So yeah, this is Lit Club, the man was just speaking about.
Let us know in the comments, what is your favourite place to go
Yeah, so what's
in
your favourite?
Laganas for a night out? Where are you taking everyone?
Where are you taking people?
Where are you taking?
So you've got Olympic Flame over there. So yeah.
Yeah, more of the shops up here. And if you keep going like all the way up, so this is just like one straight road, you go like a Spa and like other supermarkets if you don't want to go to these little convenience stores.
Yeah. The Spa's a bit better, still overpriced in my opinion, but I've travelled a lot of places and I feel, hold on, it's the 3 lines, hold on.
3 Lions.
3 lines, as you can see.
They'll probably be busy, ready for the World Cup.
Yeah, yeah. So I've noticed because we travel a lot. Majestic Hotel there. It's a really nice hotel. But yeah, the prices have gone up in the shops as well. Everywhere we've been. I mean, where was it when we was looking at steaks? Was that in Portugal? So expensive for steaks in the shops. Couldn't believe the price. And we was in a Lidl.
He was in Aldi.
So expensive. Yeah, Aldi or Lidl. So expensive. And then barcode. So yeah, so expensive. This pink one, second year for them.
Yeah, this one's really popular. We see a lot more of this on these socials.
Yeah.
A lot of the girls. It's very girly though, isn't it?
Well, you know, boys can wear pink too, as I heard the other day. But yeah, prices have gone up in the shops, so it's not so. There's Palm Burger over there. But yeah, prices have gone up in the shops. Restaurant prices, you know.
This one's quite cheap, wasn't it? We've gone to this one before.
Yeah, this one's cheap.
It's good cocktails. There's a little hidden gem there.
If you want cheap cocktails. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. If it's cheap now, if it's gone up expensive. Our wages haven't really gone up in England, so that's why I say it's expensive.
Yeah, and the euro at the moment, so we got some money changed and it was 110. So again, you're not getting much for your good conversion.
No. So you've got Perry Heaven there with a nice car. Wonder if they copied that from Cubaneros. But yeah, really nice, brand new for this year.
And you got Ignite.
Ignite. How you doing? You alright?
You're okay?
We are the best.
Yeah.
You're the best. There you go, had it first from Ignite.
Yeah, we'll see about that. We'll be the judge of who's the best. So, cheeky tikis.
Yeah, cheeky tikis.
Normally they've got a little van in there as well. So I think it's bleeping. Oh, it's my gimbal's bleeping at me. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, 1 second. Right, that's all done. So sorry if that was a bit wobbly as I was walking up there. There will be another video showing you a bit more as we go down here. So this was Bonanza, Italian pizza.
More of a nicer vibe in that one, a little bit more swanky.
Yeah, so that real Italian feel. Or
Got
Greek
racks over
Italian.
there, that's where the first one
Actually, what we do, because we're coming up to the corner, we're going to cross over and we're going to go and see Lucky's. We're going to go see if Dan is in Lucky's. If he's not in, that's all good. Might quickly.
That's Dan's world, if anyone's wondering. Check out his content, he lives on the island, so he's always got so much info.
Yeah, it's good for the info updates.
Yeah.
He's with Mark James at the moment, having fun. let's quickly walk to see Mr. Daniel. Or if you know him from Scotsman Kevin's vlog, old Dangerous Dan. Dangerous Dan. So let's go. Let's go and see Dangerous Dan. I didn't tell them we're coming, so let's see if he's there. He could be off filming a vlog, he could be doing anything. We actually got a boat trip to get on today, so we're following our Soccer Mazza Instagram posts. Well, it's all on Instagram at the moment because we won't be posting anything for that till we get back. But yeah, if you've been following our Instagram and our Facebook stories, reels, you'll be seeing some of the madness that's happening. It's so much fun. Everyone's just having fun. I've not seen anyone have a fight, I've not seen anyone be sick, nothing, nothing. No one's over drinking, I'm not saying anyone's not drunk, but
yeah, it's all love, isn't it?
yeah, it's all love. And that's what I like about these sort of festivals. We've got Steakhouse there. These festivals that we go to.
Yeah, it's good energy, everyone's just having a good time.
Very good. Right, Lucky's is down there. I don't know if Lucky's is even open. It's gone 12. Should be open, shouldn't he? Let's go and see. So this road here takes you straight to Kalamaki. You alright?
We'll be there in a couple of days, won't we?
Yeah, tomorrow actually.
Yeah, tomorrow, sorry.
So you've got the traditional...
So check out the Kalamaki footage. I'll be coming out soon if you're staying in that area.
Is Lucky's open? Yeah, it's open.
Why not be?
Yeah, it's open. Yeah, yeah, Dan was getting the place ready a while back.
Okay.
Yeah. So you've got angels across there. 2 cocktails, 2 shots, only £10. Look at the prices. Banging. 2 cocktails for a tenner. And 2 shots.
Yeah, we went to Palma yesterday, which is a big pool resort. Really, really like big complex. And that was really good prices for drinks, isn't it?
Yeah, two vodka and cokes, and you know, they free pour them for £10. Oh, you don't expect that from like pool bars, you expect them to rack the prices up.
Yeah, because places like Infinity, the beach bars are a little bit more pricey, but that was a good price, isn't it? Palma?
Yeah, really good price. Let's see if Danny Boy is in Lucky's. Like I said, we didn't tell him. Is that him there? There he is, just there with Mark James. So let's go and say hello.
Can you get in on camera?
They're already on their vlog. They're on their vlog as well.
Oh, no.
So we won't shout at them.
No, we won't.
We're just filming like superstars.
There's one place where you're not guaranteed to see me, and that's down here at Lucky's. But big up to
Guaranteed,
you.
as he said.
And honestly, I do really appreciate everybody's support. Hey,
Hey, up, yeah.
Behind the scenes, yeah.
Live and on.
How you doing, Kirk? You all right,
Yeah, man, you?
Yeah, how you doing, darling?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too. Absolutely.
There he is.
Like Jeremy Beadle.
Yeah,
Brilliant. Cheers, guys. Thank you.
Yes, the people hike down at the bar.
Right.
Come out in August.
So we do, guys, we'll wrap it up here.
Charlotte,
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
That's just Saturday airport.